Hello fellow STIers. Today, we're thrilled to feature an exceptional alumnus from our alma mater, Mr. Raul Joseph Badua. His journey is a testament to the transformative power of education. Join us as we explore the highlights of Mr. Badua's remarkable story, proving that the impact of our alma mater extends far beyond graduation. Let's dive in.
Okay, so I am Raul Joseph Badua. I have a bachelor's degree in information technology po, and I am a graduate of class 2023. To be honest, being an instructor is not what I dream of actually. Pero as time goes by, you see those strengths nag-amplify siya. And teaching someone, motivating someone, nurturing someone is one of my strengths. And I feel like ito yung pinaka the best path for me for now. Pero if I plan to change my career, that will be something in the future, not really in the near future, pero siguro in 5 years, 10 years, mga ganyan. Pero right now, I just doing my best, no? Kung ano po yung pinaka the best of my ability na ma-offer ko sa mga student. Yun yung pinaka ginagawa ko naman din sa STI. It's not really planned to become an instructor here in STI kasi syempre dito rin ako graduate, pero I'm glad that it worked out kasi okay naman po rito, maganda naman dito. Stay focused. Yung pinakaunang or pinakamasasuggest ko talaga is to stay focused. Bakit? Kasi dito sa STI, lalo sa Global City, masyadong madaming ano rito. Challenges, mga trials, mga alam mo yun, daming malls, gimikan, kaliwaan, harap-likod, no? Market, uptown. And when a student is not 100% focused sa kanilang academics, no? Kung medyo putyo-putyo lang, they may fall down. I'm not saying na we need to give everything para makuha ng uno, no. You just have to stay focused para hindi tayo mag-fail sa mga ganitong subjects. All in all, ayun naman yung pinunta natin sa school, tama? We're here to pass, we're here to learn. So, kung hindi tayo focus sa academic natin, then tayo rin yung malulukit. Challenges? Parang wala. Parang wala eh. I'm sorry. Pero not being boastful at all. Pero that is really one of my strengths. You know, yung managing my time wisely. I can excel sa academic while joining some programming competitions. I can attend my class while magnifying my responsibility as a student leader before. Not that I can do it all, pero I really can just manage my time wisely. Yun yung pinaka-okay talaga as a student. Actually, doon nahihirapan yung mga estudyante ngayon, yung pag-manage ng time. And I think doon ako nag-excel kasi alam ko yung kung anong mas importante, di ba? Sa programming, meron kami niya mga order of precedence, no? So, sa buhay, meron din ganun, order of precedence. Ano yung mas priority? Ano yung may dapat unahin kaysa hindi dapat unahin? All in all, when you say order of precedence, lahat naman yan madadaanan. Okay? So, yung order of precedence ko sa life, syempre, study muna, tapos student officer life, then uwi, gawa, ACADS, ganun, on repeat, ganun lang. Siguro wala naman. Kasi all flaws, all mistakes, everything na nangyari sa akin is what molds me to become what I am today. Ibig sabihin nun, kahit pangit yung nangyari sa akin or maganda, kahit sa isang subject, I know na medyo mahina ako, okay lang. Sa isang subject, medyo okay naman yung understanding ko sa kanya, and it's fine with me. Bakit? Kasi yung mga yun yung nagbuo ng ako ngayon. No? So kung hindi ko siya napagdaanan, I don't think I'll become the person na nakakaharap nyo ngayon, na nakakasagot ng tanong ngayon. So, yun yung motto ko rin sa buhay. Yung dapat no regrets lang tayo. No regrets. Kung may mali, own up, no? Mali mo yun eh. Parang gano'n. So, kung nagkamali ka, learn to get back up. It's okay. That's life. Yeah.
Okay na po. Thank you po.